Hello. This is a song I wrote about a long-term relationship of mine. Peanut butter, my old friend, I've come to glut on you again. After these months where I did abstinate to lose a little of my lockdown weight. But the kitchen counter has a gap where you should be. Here with me, stilling the sounds of grumbling at snacks of grapes or honeydew. But all the time was missing you. With them, how could I ever replicate lifting your lid when it is getting late? And seeing the oil that glistens as it sweeps against your nutty shores. Always want more to still the sounds of grumbling. Ma, I'm so sorry it makes you wretch. You ask if anything you can fetch before you go off on your merry way. And after some thought then I always say, peanut butter jam and 3 or 4 oat cakes, for heaven's sakes, to still the sounds of grumbling. And then when you are running low and you lose your shiny glow, you wind down becoming packed and dense. Though I love you with almost every sense, soon you'll be gone and replaced with another bucket just like you, with room you chew to still the sounds of grumbling. So you see now you've won me round, because another I've not found. You satisfy my phytic acid tongue, and still to date you've never done me wrong. As your smell it permeates the air with your nutty love, sent from above to still the sounds of grumbling.